Are we recording? Yes, perfect. Hello everybody, it's me, Darrell here, back at again with another video training. Today is day 2 of the Pokemon calendar unboxing. So, I'm gonna go grab it real quick, the calendar, and yeah, see what we get. Let's recap. So, before I do actually grab that though. So yesterday we pulled a card. It was a bear tick card with the logo there, the holiday like package logo. I thought that was really cool, really nice detail. So we're gonna get the calendar and yeah. So I'll be right back here. Alright, we are back, and we did the unboxing of the cardboard, so we can just open this up here. We can open that up. So we opened day... wait, no. We opened day 1 yesterday, so now we get to open day 2, which is right here. So let's see what we get from day 2. Hopefully something good. Oh, I see something in there. Looks like a card pack maybe, but... yep, it's a card pack. We got ourselves a card pack, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a Evolving Skies card pack. Alright. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad. Pretty good. So let's close this up. And I guess we'll see what happens on day 3, so tomorrow. But before we end this video, let's open our card pack. So let me get my gloves here. I didn't expect to pull card pack this early, but alright. I knew there would be some card packs, but I don't know how early I would get them. But I guess day 2 is the earliest. Unless it's different for every like single every single like package of the box, you know what I mean? Like it's like different for every single box. Maybe you don't get a card pack on day 2. Maybe you get on like day 1, unless that's how it is for every box. It's just the same. So got my second glove here. Alrighty, there we go. Got our gloves on, and let's see what we can pull from this Evolving Skies card pack. So, hopefully we pull something good, something very rare. That would be good. Alrighty, there's that. Here's the code card. Alrighty, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we get a water energy. Full face guard. Alright, a rescue carrier. A boo shake, a pumpkaboo, Garvana, Glossifleur, Fletchling, Scraggy, Verswer Odogloss, and a Appleton. Alright, so nothing too good, but yeah, so that's going to do it for today's video. Let's see what we will get in day 3, so basically tomorrow. That's where I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on a video. I shall see all of you tomorrow on day 3. Peace.